Right, big images coming in of Rahul Gandhi offering prayers in Rai Bareli at a temple right before this big election.
Thank you, Rahul.
Rahul prays at Rai Bareli while he goes to vote. He prays at the Hanuman temple in Rai Bareli. These images coming in early in the day itself. You have a selfie session there by some of the devotees at the temple, but Rahul Gandhi not missing his temple visit nice and early in Rai Bareli where he's contesting. Abhishek Mishra, our correspondent, is currently on the ground bringing us these images. Let's cut across.
On the day of voting in Rai Bareli, Rahul Gandhi has reached Rai Bareli and here currently at a temple in Pipaleshwar Mahadev, currently doing the puja here just after arriving in Rai Bareli. Today as a candidate, he is in the fray in Rai Bareli and a very tough and important election against Dinesh Pratap Singh of the BJP, and Rahul Gandhi chose and decided to go offer prayers here at the temple in Rai Bareli as his first move. It is very important that how Rahul has reached Rai Bareli on the voting day. As a candidate, he is from the Congress party, and amid all that, Rahul Gandhi has managed to reach here and now will be going poll to polling station and at the same time having a look at the respective constituency situation. It is very important that how, throughout his campaign in Rai Bareli, he has given the sentiment of belonging to Rai Bareli. Sonia Gandhi coming here also saying that she has in a way has given Rahul Gandhi to Rai Bareli, and this election Rahul Gandhi is in the fray against Dinesh Pratap Singh, who is fighting for the second time against the Gandhi family, but this time it's not Sonia Gandhi, it's Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul is currently now here at a temple where he's offering prayers. Very important election, and Rahul Gandhi on his visit to Rai Bareli has decided to start today's visit by visiting this temple, and you see in the visuals how he is currently inside the temple premises offering prayers. Very important election for Rai Bareli, and at the same time, if I also talk about how the voting is currently underway in Rai Bareli, which has gone beyond 27% till 11 in the afternoon, but Rahul Gandhi's presence here is very significant, is a clear indication that Rahul has taken this election very seriously, and at the same time how he managed to be here and making it a point that as a candidate he belongs to Rai Bareli, he is in Rai Bareli, he is performing puja in Rai Bareli, and with the fact that how a lot of accusation has always been there from the Congress, from the BJP side, that Rahul and Gandhi has forgotten, but Rahul is in Rai Bareli offering prayers and will be visiting the poll station in Rai Bareli. With cameraman Sandeep, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.